Consider this. In a recent survey, 61% of hiring managers said they would automatically dismiss a candidate if they spotted a single typo. That means before they even see your skills, your experience, or your degree, you're already in the no pile. These are called resume red flags, the silent killers of your job search. Today, I'm breaking down the biggest resume mistakes that recruiters notice instantly, why they make you look dishonest without you realizing it, and the exact tools you need to fix them today. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Yes Career Coaching channel. Our mission is to help you build a career or business you love. If you're tired of being ghosted by employers, this video is for you. Let's dive into the first major red flag. Is a typo really that big a deal? Short answer, yes. Even small mistakes like a misspelled word or an incorrect date scream lack of attention to detail. Think about it. If you're applying for a role in marketing, legal, or editorial, your resume is your first work sample. If you can't quality check a one-page document about yourself, why would they trust you with their clients? You can fix this easily. Use spell check, obviously. Read your resume backward. It forces your brain to focus on individual words rather than the sentence flow. Get a friend to review it. Don't let a missing comma be the reason you lose a 100K opportunity. Next, let's talk about length. How much is too much? Here's the golden rule. If you have less than 5 years of experience, stick to one page. If you are a senior or mid-level executive, 2 pages is appropriate, but never 3. The mistake people make is listing everything they've ever done. Your resume isn't an autobiography, it's a marketing brochure. Keep bullet points concise, no more than 2 lines each. Focus on measurable results. If a bullet point doesn't directly prove you can do the job you're applying for right now, cut it. This is the most dangerous category. These are the mistakes that make you look dishonest. Recruiters are trained to spot inflated job titles. For example, calling yourself a project manager when you were a coordinator, or changing dates to cover an employment gap. If your LinkedIn profile doesn't match your resume dates, that is a massive red flag. Recruiters will check. Inventing experience or listing skills you barely know, like saying you're an expert in Excel when you aren't, will come out in the interview. It's better to be honest about a gap than to be caught in a lie. So how do we fix these red flags today? First, be transparent. If you have gaps, briefly explain them in a cover letter or interview rather than hiding them. Second, customize your resume. Use the keywords from the job description naturally in your bullet points. Third, clean up your social media. Employers will Google you. Make sure your LinkedIn matches your resume perfectly. You don't have to do this alone. Use AI-powered resume checkers to simulate how an ATS, applicant tracking system, sees your resume. Use keyword audit to remove fluff. But nothing beats a human review. Your resume is your ticket to the interview. Don't let simple mistakes keep the door closed. If you've been applying and hearing crickets, you might have a red flag that you cannot see. At Yes Career Coaching, we help job seekers fix this every single day. I want to invite you to book a free career strategy session with us. We can help you spot these red flags and build a strategy to get you hired. Click the link in the description below to grab a spot on our calendar. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more career strategies, and see you in the next video.